Fertilization in humans is practically feasible only if option A, the sperms are transported into the vagina just after the release of ovum in fallopian tube. This statement is incorrect because the sperm should be transported into the vagina before or around the time the ovum is released into the fallopian tube, that is, during ovulation. Coming to option B, the ovum and sperms are transported simultaneously to the ampullary isthmic junction of the fallopian tube. This statement is correct. The ovum is released from the ovary into the fallopian tube during ovulation. The sperm is deposited in the vagina and it travels through the cervix, uterus, and into the fallopian tube. And fertilization most commonly occurs in the ampullary isthmic junction of fallopian tube. Both the sperm and the egg must meet there for the fertilization to take place. So that means option B is the correct answer. And also option C will be incorrect. The ovum and sperm are transported simultaneously to ampullary isthmic junction of cervix is incorrect. It is the fallopian tube. Option D, the sperms are transported into the cervix within 48 hours of release of ovum in uterus. This statement is incorrect. The sperm can live in the female reproductive tract for up to 48 to 72 hours, and the exact timing of fertilization depends on when the ovum is released and when the sperm reaches the fallopian tube. So fertilization is most likely when the sperm and egg are present in the fallopian tube simultaneously. So the correct answer is option B.